Hey, what's up, YouTube? DJs Global and Abroad. This is DJ Esco. Basically, I get a lot of messages and questions coming from DJs and VJs that utilize different software, hardware configurations on how to better maximize their performances in shows. So the following is for people that use Virtual DJ and want to be able to do video mixing. So anyway, this is the whole layout and the whole setup, everything that you'll need. And if you have the Hercules RMX or any version of, you're in great luck. Alright, here you go. This is what I'm going to utilize for this setup. This is this is my Nerd Energy drink, by the way. Sorry. I'm going to utilize the Newmark X2. You can use any turntable of your choice. This is a hybrid turntable. It allows you to utilize both vinyl and CD. The reason why I decided to pick this one is because you're able to, well, also do the same exact thing using CD instead of vinyl if you choose to do that. So anyway, we're going to remove the top off real quick. I'm doing this with one hand, so excuse me. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Alright, there's our vinyl CD. I mean our vinyl. We're going to use side A of the Scratch Live vinyl, control vinyl from Serato. And like I said, we're going to utilize this deck here. You can use Technics or anything that you want, so it's up to you. This is the Hercules RMX that we're going to be utilizing, and I'm going to show you how to plug everything in real quick, and our PC. So, or actually this is a MacBook Pro, so it's a Mac. So we're going to use our Mac. You use PC or any other device that you want to utilize, as long as it runs Virtual DJ Pro. So any of the versions will work just fine. Okay, check it out. This is how we got it connected in the back. USB. Over here is the input. I know you can't read it, so I'll just verbally state everything. This is input 1 and 2, left, right, and then over here we have a choice, a little switch, and it says line 1, line 2. I'm sorry, it says line or phono, and we're going to use phono because record is phono, and line is of course CD signal. So anyway, the next one, we're going to utilize this over here. This is the output, and it goes to our amp. We're using 1/4 inch. Please don't ever do that because you can actually blow your amp or your speaker. So this is 1/4 inch output, and we're only using one side, so yeah, that's about it. Alright, on launch, excuse me, sorry. On launch, what you'll do is you'll launch your application or program. Of course, it's Virtual DJ. There is Virtual DJ. It's coming up. Alright, there it is. I'm going to get an error because I always toy around with my software, mess it up, and do all kinds of terrible things. Experimental, so that's about it. This is a legitimate copy, so it's not hacked, cracked, or nothing like that, just to let you know. The welcome screen that you see here is my login for Virtual DJ, and I'm going to skip that. I'm not going to use it. The skin that you see is not actually Serato or Itches or anything like that. It's actually Virtual DJs. I've modified this skin. It's my own personal customized one. As you can see, it says DJ Esco Video Edition, whatever. That's the cool thing and that you could do with Virtual DJ. You can actually implement your own skins that you want. I'm going to change the skin just to make it more familiar for everybody. My resolution is rather high. I think it's 1440 by 900, so we're going to switch to that. The way you know is, okay, these look nice and circle versus egg-shaped or anything like that. Alright, here's the part that we need to do. When you launch Virtual DJ, this is what you'll see. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the configuration. On Mac, it's on the left side. On PC, it's on the right side. So just to let you know, configuration. And what you'll do is, first thing you're going to pick is your sound card. Of course, we have the DJ Console RMX. You have to make sure that you have your drivers set up and installed previously before doing this. And then you'll pick, like I said, DJ Console RMX from the drop-down menu where it says sound card. This video is not that great, so I'm going to kind of repeat everything that I'm doing. On headphone outputs, you're going to select headphones, and you're going to say master channel 1 and 2, headphones channel 3 and 4. What this is basically saying is that the master output is on channel 1 and 2, meaning left, right, and the headphones are also left, right, a signal going to the headphones, but it's using channel 3 and 4. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick time code configuration. If you have two vinyl records, then you'll choose time codes. In my case, I'm just using one vinyl record, even though I have two decks. There's one here and then there's one over there. But I'm just going to pick this just to make it easier. So now we're going to say apply. And there you go. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to also go ahead and elect video. We're going to choose activate. And that's our video display. It's going to be the Canon PJ, so it's a projector. Alright, cool. So now that we have this powered up, that up and running, and all we need to do is power up our deck. Go over here, drop our needle in place. There you go. Run back over here. We'll go to configuration once again. I forgot to do this. Alright, once you have selected on your sound setup timecode configuration, you'll hit that. What you want to watch and monitor is this right here, this little dot. It's responding to my voice and any vibration. So if you see, I'm tapping the laptop there and it's doing that. Alright, whatever type of vinyl, you have different choices. If you use a CD deck, make sure that you have phono selected on the back of the Hercules. In this case, you can use Virtual DJ's vinyl. They also have vinyl. The same applies for if you're using virtual vinyl from Newmark. You can also select virtual vinyl as well. We're going to use Serato Vinyl CVO2 side A, so we're going to pick that one. And when you hit play over here, yep, we've got a powered deck. Okay. Once you hit play, your record spinning and everything, you'll notice these circles over here, and basically that's indicative that you are receiving signal as you should be. So, if I hit source 1 on here, that's what we're hearing from the actual record. We're going to kill that, and like I said, that's exactly what we want is this right here. You'll play with it left, right, anti-phase, gain, and silence. I'm using smart relative, and all you want to do is shape that into a donut, and that's about it. We're going to leave it alone because that's close enough for me. So anyway, another thing I'm wanting to do is power up the projector. So give me one quick second. Let's see. Alright, projector should be up. Okay. And let's see, let's throw a video on this side. Okay. So in essence, the turntable should respond rather well to whatever we do. So if we move this back forth, we should see that moving back forth, and everything looks good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is actually put it to test. Let me find me a track real quick. I wanted to do everything live, so it kind of makes it a little bit harder for me because I don't really know where everything's at. So let me see. I need to find video. Okay, there it is. Video. Let's go mainstream plug. Alright, let's see. We'll throw this into this deck. There it is, loaded. And we're going to go over here, crossfaders in place. And if you notice, I'm going to do it reverse. Pretty good actually. So anyway, I'm gonna drop another track. Okay, let's try it out. Speed it up. Okay, so that works pretty well. Basically, let me turn on the volume a little bit. Basically, you have every feature that you normally would in Virtual DJ. So you're able to process any effects that you want. On the video side, there's video transitions, sound effects, and then on top of it, you get to style like a turntablist. So that's about it. Alright, so that's my video on how to configure virtual DJ and get you going on being able to actually set up turntables without use of the SL1, 2, 3, or 4, or any of the Rain products with Serato. So just hopefully this helps you guys. Hopefully it's of benefit, and that's about it. So happy DJing, you know, go out there, make crowds and masses jump and move. This is DJ Esca.